This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Shari Abbott. Beautifully maintained two-story townhome, open floor plan kitchen, great room, and half bath, all tiled, and on the first floor all bedrooms, both full bathrooms and laundry room, washer and amp, dryer included. On second floor fantastic pavered, private patio area is ideal for outside living and has big green space behind it, 1-car attached garage, driveway and ample visitor parking, lots of storage and walk-in closets, community pool centrally located with easy access to I-95. Wonderful home. For more information, review the details below.